Let us look into part of speech tagging. So now part of speech tagging can be easily done using with the help of NLTK. Can be easily done with the help of NLTK library. So here the quick lazy fox jumps over the lazy dog. Now here I will word tokenize it and then I will print the POS tag. So now the refers to DT, quick is JJ, JJ is the adjective, lazy it's again the noun, fox noun, jumps is a verb, over is I think again referring to some kind of part of speech. I can show part of speech. See, like for example, IN refers to preposition. So like this I have various part of speech tagging words that are there. So here it shows me the output, jumps over the lazy dog. Dog is again NN. NN indicates noun. So like this part of speech tagging can be performed for any of the sentence, so that it helps me to understand is the word organized correctly or not.